guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Tresha. I was on Pinterest one day and I saw this wall mirror from Home Depot that I was really inspired by. So I decided I wanted to make something similar using Dollar Tree supplies. So if you would like to see how I made this, just keep watching. To start off the project, I measured a 13-inch pizza tray to find and mark the center point. Once I found the center, I made a line so that I will know exactly where to place the mirror. Next, I drew an outline around the mirror. One day when I was in Walmart, I saw this mini dual temp glue gun by Gorilla, so I decided I'm going to try it out and see how well it worked. If you have one already, I would love to know what you think about it. Right now, I'm going to place the mirror on the side and start gluing these plastic favor coins to the top edge of the pizza tray. Then I glued more on the inside. I did this until I got to the center. I made sure that the front of the coins were facing the same way. I almost forgot to tell you, it took 6 packs of coins to cover the entire tray. Next, I added an additional 2 rows of coins to the top edge using E6000 and Gorilla Glue. Since the coins will be at an angle, I decided to use E6000 plus Gorilla Glue to make the edges really strong. I don't know if you guys could tell, but there are so many glue strings on the coins, so I used a heat gun to get rid of them. Afterwards, I sprayed it with Design Master Rose Gold paint. But if you decide to do this project, you can spray it with any color of your choosing. Once it was dry, I added hot Gorilla Glue to the back of the mirror. Did you know that Dollar Tree downsized their mirror candle holders? This is the new size, which is 4.5 inches. So if you still see the bigger mirrors, grab it. Last but not least, I placed command strips on the back. Be sure the back of the tray is free of any residue or dirt. If not, you can always clean it with rubbing alcohol. Now it's time to hang it on the wall. That's it. This was such a simple and inexpensive project to try. It only cost me around $8 using Dollar Tree supplies. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. If you do decide to try it, I would love to see it. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.